jayé dé, àti jayé jayé mọ̀lété. Kése kése kékelete, mo ti jayé jayé challenge o. Jẹ́lẹ̀ mo ti jayé jayé dùgbẹ́ dùgbẹ́. Màwú dùgbẹ́. Abẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ máa jó bẹ̀dú. Lórúyọ̀ léyọ̀ léyé, àwọn ọmọge wọ́n mi jó bàtà. Bàtà. Àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ mi jùdí.
Yeah, guys, now we just arrived at Olorun Food Canteen, aka Amala Sky, right in the city of Ibadan, situated at Bodija. And I'm here with Layer Official, and we'll be going in to get some review about the food, to get some food too. So test the Amala, the soup and everything, and we'll come back right here to tell you whatever we find out in there.
Yes.
So well, we've been hearing people say, okay, it's the best Amala in town, they have the best soup in town. We're here to find out, so we'll join you shortly.
Thank you.
Cause I don't know, yeah. Sugar, yeah. Feelings in my head, you don't make me mad, oh. I can feel you when nobody did. Running through my head, oh my, you dey hide me just like it was game. Oh no, I wanna put you to me, baby, oh. I know Sarah, tell me something. Me, I want to be your papa, oh. Make I spend you all my money. Buy me Sarah, tell me something. Me, I want to be your papa, oh. Make I spend you all my money. You be my sugar.
Guys, yes, we are back. And in case you're wondering why I have this on my head, those guys there, they are very, very hygienic. Before I could get into their space to take the videos of the soup, I have to put this on my head to cover my ear, and I so much love that a lot. So guys, I and Leia will be doing our review shortly, so I just wanted to know that we enjoyed our food and we're back out here. Peace out.
You be my sugar, yeah. Tell me something, kilo. Sugar, yeah. Tell me something, kilo. Oh no.